Hello, I welcome you all to this special webinar on Azure Media Services for streaming and content delivery. So, my name is Debashish Roy. I'm the Senior Network Analyst at the Indian Cybersecurity Solutions. And today we'll discuss about the media service and the content directory network, that is CDN. So, let's begin. So we'll discuss the leverage Azure Media Services and unlock the power of digital content delivery. So what is content delivery service and how is it related to the media service? So what do you mean by this media service? Means the streaming media content. Like you are streaming a video, say an online webinar or something, you are streaming there and you are using the Azure's media server to stream your content. You no longer you use that on-premise server. You use that cloud server to store data, and also you use the cloud server to stream your digital audio content and video also. Now, in today's digital landscape, the Azure Media Service provides a comprehensive platform for content delivery. As you know, the content delivery networking that I was talking about, the CDN, that plays a very important role in today's networking. You go to any site or any apps, any web app, they all are dependent on the CDN, because if I want any particular website, say I want to purchase a book or something, any product, then I want to get it product very quickly. Now that web server may be residing at a remote location that is far away from me. So what Azure or AWS does, that they actually keep that service, that's a website, they cache that in one of the regional edge cache or edge location, and we fetch it from that regional edge cache. So we get the content very quickly. That is the notion of the content delivery networking or CDN. Now, this is also related to the Azure Media Service, that you want to streamline your video content, and also it's related to the CDN, because your video content should be have minimum latency. If you are having too much latency, then people will not be able to access it, or they will no longer be wanting to access that content. So we'll explore how organizations can leverage these services to enhance their media workflows, ensuring efficiency and scalable distribution of digital content. Now you have to understand the Azure Media Service, that it is a cloud-based platform that enables users to stream, store, and manage media content. So online media content, it may be audio, it may be video. Say your webinar is going on, so there you have to stream that, and you have to use the Azure Media Service for that. It offers a range of tools for encoding, packaging, and delivering high-quality video and audio to any device, and making it essential for modern media applications. So any media application, say any media player or something like that, and you are streaming online, streaming content, you are streaming like the OTT platforms. So there also this Azure Media Service is there. So all the OTTs, they are related to cloud, and for streaming that content, they use that media service. Key features are like that the platform provides several key features, including live streaming, video on demand, and content protection. So, video on demand, like any portal, say any learning portal or any entertainment portal like Netflix, they are relied on this Azure Media Services. These capabilities allow businesses to deliver engaging media experiences while ensuring the security and integrity of their content. Now, by leveraging Azure Media Services, organizations can achieve cost efficiency, scalability, and global market, global reach. The cloud-based infrastructure allows for easy scaling based on demand, ensuring that business can adapt to changing viewer needs without significant investment. So, cloud is cheap, and you can leverage the power of cloud to grow your business, your media content. Content delivery network integration. So I was talking about this, that you have to integrate this media service, this feature with the CDN to actually lower the latency, the waiting period. So Azure Media Service integrates seamlessly with content delivery networks to optimize media delivery.
Hello, Suman.
This enhances performance and reduces latency, now ensures that audiences receive high quality streaming experiences regardless of the location. So you may be located at remote locations, remote places, but there you can actually access, say, the Netflix server. because it is caching the content at a nearby edge location or regional edge cache. As you know that regional edge caches store a lot of information like a bulk data, and edge cache stores the current content. So maybe you are storing the, you can say, the media content, the OTT content there, or any such learning portal there on any media server, and you are using that, and you are integrating that media service with the content delivery network CDN. Analytics and insights, like with built-in analytics, Azure Media Services allows organizations to track now viewer engagement and like content performance. And now this data-driven approach actually enables businesses to make informed decisions about content strategy and marketing. And ultimately, your viewer experience will increase and your business will grow. That is the ultimate objective. Azure Media Services is utilized across various industries, including entertainment that I was talking about, education, like your online, say, learning portals, like Udemy, all those things, and corporate training. Also, you can actually store, say, your tutorials there, and you can train your employees. Each use case demonstrates the versatility of the platform and delivering tailored media solutions that meet specific audience needs. So we can conclude that Azure Media Service empowers organizations to actually unlock the full potential of the digital content. So if they're making the digital content, the video, the audio, so definitely they are not going to make it as a static content that is available on your servers, because then only the on-premise servers or the LANs, the users in the LAN, will be able to access that. But from the remote locations from all around the globe, they will not be able to access your content. So for that, you have to integrate the Azure Media Service with the CDN. And as technology evolves, the platform will continue to adapt and now offering innovative solutions that enhance media delivery and engagement for users worldwide. So this is about the media service and CDN. And now we can move to the, say, the portal also. So this is the Azure portal, and you can see, you can search for, say, the media service. You can search for media, and you'll go to this media services. So this is where you have to keep your content, you have to keep your streaming content here, say, and you have to create a media service there. So that is expensive, definitely, because you are streaming your content using that Azure media server. So definitely they will charge you for that. And now you have to first create a resource group. If you do not have this resource group, as you can see there, the default group, so you have to go to the create new, and you have to give a name, and also media service account name. CNE, give any name, location, storage account, you have to create a new storage account for that. So click on storage account, give any name, and maybe it's a local storage account or the geo redundant, anything you can do. Click on OK, and your storage account has come. Now is an assigned manage identity. So click on here, and also you give a name. Click on create. Check here, and next go to tags, and click on create. So as you create the media service account, after that you can add the streaming media. Say you are presenting, like I'm presenting this webinar. So you can create this account, and you can also add your webinar presentation for this account. But it is not free. So it is being deployed. So it is actually not creating that because of some details. Maybe it's not allowed register tools has been depreciated. So I think what they have done in this is not the paid account. So in the free tier account, maybe there is some problem, some issue with this media service. As I was telling you, that media service is not free anymore. It was there. So I think for some issue or some issue in the server of the Azure in this particular region, so maybe some issue is there. But anyhow, you can deploy that later when the issue is resolved. Then you can definitely deploy this media service account, and then you can add. But for now, I think this pay as you go, this subscription doesn't support this media service anymore because they change it often. And definitely I think you have to make a paid account for that. So there you have the media service. And also if you search for the CDN, the content delivery networks, now there also you can see the front door and the CDN profiles. And here you can definitely Azure CDN standard from Microsoft Classic, or you can continue to create a CDN. And then again, you have to give the resource group name. Then you have to assign it a name. This is CDN. Region should be global because you are not creating it in any specific region. And it is a pricing tier is a classic. And you have to create the CDN profile for that. So it is complete now, and you can go to the resource, and you can see that CDN profile is there. Now here you have to create an endpoint here, so that you are adding the web server. You have to first set up a website or something else, and there you have to purchase the domain name that you as you are seeing. Origin type will be that server, that storage. So storage static website or web app, say a static website. So you have to select that domain name and click on add and give any name, say test page, and port will be 443 or port 80 in the HTTP or HTTPS, and click on add. So that is an endpoint, but definitely you have to create that page there. And then what will happen? That is the CDN profile, that is the CDN endpoint. And whoever will access with that endpoint or URL, definitely they will hit that CDN profile, and they will be redirected to the cache server, that regional, that edge server there, edge server, where Azure will actually cache your web content. So it will definitely reduce your latency. So definitely is there, but yes, it will not be available here because you haven't actually stored anything here. You have to store a static website here. Like we use S3 bucket in the AWS to store the static website. Here also, in case of CDN in the edge cache, we have to store the static website. So you will have to make that website, you have to deploy that, and then your CDN profile will start working. So that is how your CDN profile will also work. And also I've shown you how to actually create that media service, Azure Media Service also. But for that, you have to create a paid account for that to leverage the part of the media service. So that is it about the media service for streaming video content and the content delivery network. For now, I think I have told you the theory part behind this, and also I've shown you the steps, the practical steps, how to deploy streaming media content using the Azure Media Service, and also how to make a profile, CDN profile, to actually leverage the power of the content delivery networking to grow your business. And as you know that every resource is moving towards the cloud. We no longer use on-premise servers. We actually move every content to the cloud, and definitely we have to lower the cost and for streaming video or audio content like webinars and also seminars. Also, the CDN provides us the ability to actually use the cloud for your greatest potential and to lower the cost. So that is it all I have today for this Azure Media Service and Content Delivery Services. And I thank you all again to join this webinar. And I hope this was informational to you. And I think that it will be very helpful for you for your studies for Azure Administrator certification and also for deploying the cloud services in your enterprise solutions. So I'll come with some new topic next day. Till now, bye.